Hi Quentin, my name is Brooke. I'm with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence. All this information is free. If by the end of this video you like what I have to say and you want to see all the other things that I can offer you and your company, feel free to reach out and we can schedule a time to chat. If not, again, this information is free. No harm, no foul. Enjoy it and hopefully you can put it to good use. So the 3 things I'm going to show you will bring more customers to your business, and you can start doing them today. They will optimize your website for Google. They will enhance your platform to convert more customers and get more traffic to your website. So the first thing I'm going to tell you about is content. That is everything that you see on your page. It's the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. So what Google does is they have web crawling bots, and 24/7 they are crawling every single website and they are collecting information and then using that information to determine where you are placed in the Google search page. So usually there are some Google guaranteed ads up here. All those are paid ads. And I thought I saw you in it yesterday, but it's not up there right now. So then there's the GMB section. 30% of your business should be coming from the GMB. And then there is the organic listings. The remaining 70% should be coming from here. For content, Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on your website, and they want your keywords to be sprinkled out throughout the keywords. So as of right now, I'm using SEO Quick to find this information. That is a free tool. You have a little less than 1,500, which is still a good amount, but not enough for Google to really consider that it's enough information to rank you higher. The more content you have, the better. That means more content means more keywords, which means more people are going to be finding your business. The next thing is citations, and that has everything to do with the GMB. A citation is a direct reference to your website. And those are found by your company's name, phone number, and address, and those are usually in Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, places like that. The more citations you have, the better. And you don't want to beat Poly Landscapes by just, if you want to get at least 50 or even 100 more citations than they have. Whenever you are doing your GMB, most business owners only fill out the bare minimum of their Google My Business page. So you want to make sure every single question is answered up there. If you can't answer all of the questions, you want to get as many pictures up there as you can. So Google uses the reviews, and that's how many and the quality of the reviews. So make sure that your customers are filling it out. They use the citations and they use the pictures. And whenever you use the pictures, make sure that it is saved with a name. So whenever someone looks for custom flower beds in your area, the image that you save to your GMB will pop up whenever they're searching for that. That's another way to do it. And then there are backlinks, which is like a shout out from one website to another. It's more of a popularity contest, so consider it like votes. Whoever has the more votes gets ranked higher. So I have a website crawler page that shows us some results. So you are getting 2 people on your website each month. You have 15 different websites giving you 40 backlinks. You have a high power rating, but a low trust rating, so you will have to get more. You want to even out the backlinks. So if you have 36 followed backlinks, you want to get 36 no follow backlinks. And that will even it out. The closer these numbers are to each other, the better. That will have a lot to do with where you are ranked on Google. All of this stuff you can do yourself and it is free. It will help majorly so that you don't have to spend all this money on ads. So here is a landscaping company in Wilmington. They have quite a bit of information. Let's see how many words. They have 539. So they don't have a lot of words, but they do have backlinks. So they have good backlinks that are giving them high authority. So whenever you get backlinks, not You want to get quality over quantity. So you want websites with high authority with Google, so high power and trust rating. And that has a lot to do with how old the website is as well. And you want them to have relevance to landscaping. So the Flora Landscapes is getting 56 people to their website each month, and I did not see any paid ads for them. So they're just using SEO and using their website to get all of these customers. Here's another landscaping company in Wilmington, North Carolina. Um, let's check out theirs. They have 723 words. So they don't have very much, but look at their backlinks. They don't have many, but they have some good backlinks, and they have, see how close? They have 44 followed and 30 not followed. So that has a lot to do. It's very important whenever you have a website to make sure that you give it some solid ground to stand on and lift it higher with these backlinks. They're getting 95 people to the website each month just by doing the backlinks, and they're not paying for paid ads. Anyway, I hope this information was useful. If you have any questions, please reach out. If not, then enjoy the information, and I hope you have a great day.